Okay, moving on to question 13. It says the photos below show different forms of matter. The forms in order are, okay? So what we need to look at is this is a fruit salad, so there's different kinds of matter in it, and we can easily distinguish it. So we know that that's a mixture. And we've got milk, and milk is just, all together you can't distinguish it, so that's a solution. And we have an arrangement of flowers, and you can see that there's all different types of flowers, so there's more than one type of matter, and so that's a mixture. Okay, so now we just have to look for mixture, solution, mixture, and that one is B, mixture, solution, mixture. This is not an object, this is a mixture because there's more than one type of matter. Once again, it's not an object because there's more than one type of matter. And a form of matter is not flowers. Okay, in order to change the state of substance X from a liquid to a solid, you should. Okay, so let's pretend our substance X goes from, actually let me do it down here a little bit more, down here to solid, up to a liquid, to a gas. So in this order, we want to increase the temperature, and going backwards, we want to decrease the temperature. And let's look at our question. What does our question say? From a liquid, so we start off here as a liquid, and we go to a solid, so we're going backwards, in which case we need to decrease the temperature. So that's C, decrease the temperature. Okay. Number 16, which of the following types of matter does not have a defined shape or volume? So that's our chart. Okay. So we've got a solid, a liquid, and a gas. Okay. And we look at our shape and our volume. Solid has a defined shape and a defined volume. Liquid does not have a defined shape, but it does have a defined volume, and a gas has neither. It does not have a defined shape or a defined volume. So we need to find the one that is a gas. Water is not a gas, that's liquid. Air is a gas. Grass is a solid, and soda is a liquid. So B it is. Air is the gas, which does not have a defined shape or volume. Okay, number 16. Sarah has a bowl of peanuts, popcorn, almonds, and M&Ms. She loves to snack on it after she gets home from school. Sarah tells her mom it is a mixture. Sarah's mom asks her why. What should Sarah answer? And don't forget, a mixture is 2 or more. And remember I said 2 plus will tell you that it's 2 or more types of matter. And the other thing about a mixture is that it's easily distinguished, so you can tell it apart. Okay? So that is the 2 things that we're looking for. Okay? So it is a mixture because there's all different stuff in it. Well, that doesn't match. It is a mixture because it can't be distinguished and there's more than one type. Well, that doesn't make sense because we said a mixture was easily distinguished. It is a mixture because there's more than one type of matter. Yes. And you can tell it apart. Yes. So there's our answer, C. It is a mixture because it's all matter that can't be distinguished. No, that is incorrect. Okay, so C is the correct answer. Number 17, what 2 particles would you find at the center of an atom? And in this case, you should just draw your atom, and that will help you remember what is at the center of an atom. Okay, we've got a proton and a neutron. So, positively charged protons, yes. Negatively charged electrons, no. So that answer is incorrect. Positively charged protons, yes. Negatively charged neutrons, no. Neutrons don't have a charge. Negatively charged protons, no. Neutrons with no charge, that's correct, because a neutron does not have a charge. And positively charged protons, that is correct. So D is the correct answer. Number 18, which of the following would demonstrate a chemical change? And don't forget, a chemical change is where you can't change it back, and we need to remember that it's when something burns or is on fire, when something rusts, or when you eat something. Okay? So, pouring soda into a glass, that's neither of those. Melting an ice cube, we know that's a physical change. Tearing paper, we know that's a physical change. Eating a banana, that matches with our chemical change. So D, it is. Eating a banana is a chemical change.